Alejandro needs to finish painting a house. He estimates that it will take him 5 hours to finish. To help speed up the process, his 3 friends, Bobby, Christina, and Dimitri, decide to help. Assuming that they work at the same rate as Alejandro, how long will it take them to finish? Since we have 5 hours and we need to equally divide the hours 4 ways, we can write the fraction 5/4, which is another way of writing 5 divided by 4. Let's use a model to help solve the problem. Each circle represents 1 hour of painting. So we have 5 circles. Let's look at one of these circles. We need to divide this circle into 4 equal parts, since there are 4 people painting. Each part of the hour is labeled with the first initial of the person's name that is painting. Now, remember that this is only for 1 hour. So, let's look at all the hours. So Alejandro only has to work for 1/4 of an hour 5 times. Let's place all of his quarter hours together. Now it's really easy to see how long Alejandro worked. Remember, each circle is an hour, so he worked 1 full hour and 1/4 of an hour. So our mixed number is 1 and 1/4. Therefore, 5/4 equals 1 and 1/4. Alejandro and his friends need to work for 1 and 1/4 hours to finish the painting. That leaves more time for fun. Maybe they will go spend some time at the beach. Sounds like fun. Catch you soon.